Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am doing another video with Halloween decor, all from the Dollar Tree. So if you want to see what I created, just keep on watching, and also remember to please subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, because that's super important and that really will help out my channel. Also share, like, comment, all that good stuff. So let's get started with this video. And my very first project is also my favorite one out of all my DIYs, and it's just spooky picture frames. Eventually you guys will see me just add cobwebbing around the picture frames, add some spiders and a little splash of paint of red to make it look like blood. However, this paint did not come out as great as I thought it would, but luckily for me, my sister had some fake blood, and I ended up using that and just spritzing it. I guess spritzing, just adding that on the picture frame. You guys will eventually see how it turned out, and I think it turned out amazing.
But we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide.
So these are how they turned out. I think it came out super creepy and super cool, and it's definitely one of my favorite DIYs. So the next project I will be doing, I guess I will call them like candle holders, but what I am doing is using empty beer bottles and then these candlesticks from the Dollar Tree for just for $1 for two. So amazing deal. So all I pretty much did was color the beer bottles black and then added the candlestick in the hole, melted a little bit so it could drip down, and it became like creepy candle holders for my actual party. I am going to light them up. So you guys, if you guys are not a subscriber, you guys should really subscribe to my channel, because next week or the following week I will have a bunch of videos of how I set up my Halloween party. So yeah, hit that bell so you guys could get updated when I actually post. But I think these came out pretty cool.
We both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the red? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Thought I'd still be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time, waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine.
So for this DIY, I mean, it's nothing really special. I just wanted to use up these items because I ended up just buying them because I thought they were pretty cool. And all I really did was add cobweb into the spider basket. That pumpkin lights up. I used the skeleton and I ended up painting it a little bit black and then splashed some blood on it. And that's pretty much it with this DIY. It was super simple and not even that hard to actually do. The painting took longer because I had to wait until it was fully dried. But that's it for that DIY, honestly.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another. You and I thought I lost my way, but you washed out all the gray. Don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. 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 Late nights on the sofa, chilling, watching TV, doing nothing with you. Doing nothing with you. Yeah, I'm so thankful for everything that life has been putting me through. 'Cause now I get to be with you. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. 'Cause I've never before, and I want you even more. I think I'm falling in love with you.
So I guess this is how that DIY turned out. It's not the best, but I needed to use up this decor. So that's it. That's all I did. It was super simple, super easy. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and got some few ideas. And remember to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. I have a few more Halloween videos coming out before actual Halloween, so please stay tuned. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
But you proved me wrong. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. 'Cause I've never felt like this before.